Abusua da no. I am a pie me ho sister Sandy be a guy. Sister Sandy be a guy. I beg a crab who couldn't see me a guy no. But once and now watching pe. Fang boom na me ya pa. Boom na me ya pa. Boom na me ya pa. I was saying where Vybz Kartel, the official Hypeman. Surprise artist a gusto crowd. Where it's just a celebration. I quite a whole party. But I bet than events via a should be crown mad. Because we're talking about Shatta Wale, the king, King Charles, the only king I know. In the whole Ghana. The girls and my king. Same with your mama says Shatta Wale. What's that Vybz Kartel official Hypeman? Extra besi Independence Square. And then now watch it all white by the king. T-Brass is here.
What about them say me represent for Shatta Wale, because you done when a Shatta Wale, African king of dancehall, and them need to know. Celebration, see? Dress up in your white and come out bright, because you don't know a Shatta Wale. See? Shatta Wale Fest, more. From MTN and Shatta Wale present, you don't know. Shatta Wale Fest, yo, ready now. Look. Hear me and son, man. October 18, Independence Square, dressed in your white and look bright. Shatta Wale and up there represent your Ghana. What a guanya. You know, you're so see me. So hear me and say, October 18, Shatta Wale. See? Shatta Wale Fest. You don't know more from MTN. And Shatta Wale and the one here. Yo, Ghana, the one here, go turn up. And enough them here represent. Yo. Shatta Wale Fest, you don't know what's going on. Ready, dressing in your white and come out bright. Yo, African king.
What's a Ghana? What I want say we dear here, we dear pan the wait for you all. Boom na patwa na maka. Ain't no. Ebe kwaso. Yeah, from Mama Yensha Independence Square. Because Vybz Kartel ba. And a whole lot of international artists, streaming about 20 African countries. Boom, a celebration. Papa, Ebe kwaso.